Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the importance of the Java and power of the Java. So those who already learned a Java, what are all the opportunities it's waiting for them. So those who want to become a Java developer, how they can become a Java developer in 2024, the perfect roadmap I'm going to tell you in this video itself. Yes, this is Priya Talks. I'm sharing my IT experience through the video, and do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you will get a notification. So without do further delay, let's begin. So before going to the actual topic of the Java, so before that I just want to share my personal experience how I became a Java developer. So during my college days, I don't know single line about Java. So I don't know importance of the Java. So after my marriage, we just moved to the Bangalore. So there I applied for various companies. So initially I don't know how to apply, how to use Naukri also. So laterly, so I came to know so how to apply, how we can get the interview calls. So initial days I don't get even single company of interview calls. So after that, so I just went to one institute to learn Java. So why I choose Java? Because I don't know any idea about other languages. So I don't know any idea about other domains. For example, UI UX design, ML and data scientist, data analyst. So these kind of domains I don't know any knowledge. So that I just went to learn a Java. So there it is like 100 days course. So I just went to only 30 days. So within a 30 days, I do not prepare to practice for competitive programming. I just prepared only for like Java concepts like the strings, threads, exception handlings, so those kind of things. So each and every day I practiced very well. So within a 30 day itself, I got placed in one of the famous MNC, that is IBM. So there I just enter into the Java developer. So there they have conducted one program, not like programs, it is something like exam. So whoever passed that exam, they can become a full stack developer. So who could not able to crack that exam, so they can become a like software tester, other domains they can choose. So fortunately I passed that exam, so I got trained in full stack developer. So before entering to the IBM, I knew only the Java. So after that I learned many things which is related to the Java, like Java related frameworks. So I learned Java 8 features. I learned from Spring Boot to Spring Boot, the entire modules. I knew about the microservice. I learned Kubernetes. I learned so many other libraries and frameworks and dependencies as well. So this is how I became a full stack developer, from Java developer to full stack developer. So here why I am telling my experience through this. Only I learned a Java. So from IBM to my current company itself, initially I started my career as a Java developer, full stack developer, or else backend developer. If any opportunities came, so that time I used to work with like front end called React, Angular, JavaScript and HTML CSS. If I do not get any opportunity, so I used to work with only like a Java and Java related frameworks. So last few months back I got the opportunity that is related to the big data. So once I heard this, I'm very scared, and also I'm very afraid, because I knew only the Java and Java related the frameworks. I don't know, I have only zero knowledge about the big data. So I discussed one of my colleagues, he only gave me the hope to take up the new opportunities and new challenges. Okay, so after that I have taken this challenge, and then after that only I get to know the power of the Java. Because if you learn the Java, so Java only is the most difficult language compared to the any other language. I learned the Java already, so because of which I could easily adopt any of the languages. So now I can become a UI UX designer, now I can become a cloud architect, I can become a DevOps engineer, because entire language, I mean apart from the Java, if you take any of the language which is almost relevant to the Java syntax. Now I am working on big data based domain, so that is PySpark, Scala. So initially I was scared, So after I went through all the code of the Python, now I got to know Python syntax, Python variables, data types entirely almost similar to the Java. So now I got to know the power of the Java, because Java is the only difficult language compared to any other language. It's like a ocean. It has many concepts, it has many libraries, it has many frameworks. So here each and every year it has included many new features. Now I got to know the importance of the Java, because of which only I could easily adapt any other languages. Now I could easily able to understand the Python and Spark framework and Scala framework as well. So that is what I am going to tell. If you want to become a Java developer, so you have huge opportunities, okay, in already. So if you learned Java already, so you can become whatever you want. So you can become a solution architect which is related to Java, or else if you want to explore few many things which is related to any other domain like data analyst, data engineer, DevOps, cloud related things, so you can easily adapt. So all those syntax which is similar to the Java, all those scripts which is similar to the JavaScript only. So that is what I am telling you. If you learned a Java, you are going to have plenty of opportunities in the markets, and so compared to any other domains, you have a lots of vacancies, lots of opportunities in the IT markets as well. So here we are ended up with the final topics, that is how to become a Java developer in 2024. So those who want to become a Java developer, or those who want to learn a Java, the first they should start with the basic thing, the history of the Java. So what is JDK, what is JRE, what is JVM. So once they understood all those things, they can go with that basics concepts of the Java, that is like variables, how we can declare the variables, what are all the types of the variables and data types, or else then they can move with like the core concepts, that is like OOPS concepts. So what is encapsulations, what is polymorphism, and what is abstractions and compositions. So these are all they can learn with example easily. So after that they can move with like further topics called threads, strings, exception handlings and collections, and at last they can pick up Java related framework called like very famous framework, that is Spring framework. So along with that they can learn like microservice. So this is how they can become a Java developer in 2024. So yes guys, I hope this video going to be super useful for you guys, those who want to become a Java developer. So if you want related, if you get to know the things about the Java, so do subscribe my channel.